What is happening, everybody? This is your man, Kaschmiere, coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. I want to welcome you, man. We're with the Crypto-Addicts, man. We're doing some great things over here with this cryptocurrency. Right now, I want to introduce you to UUnit, man. This is one of our coins that we're trading peer-to-peer. We don't need an exchange, guys. We work together. We trade peer-to-peer to create wealth. This is one of the hottest coins that's out right now for us. We're building the next generation of digital gold. This thing is amazing. What I want to do really quickly is scroll you down and let you take a look at our comp plan, man. This thing is where it just explodes at, man. This is crazy because people are making so much money. Imagine making $1,000 a day trading free coin. I'm talking about free coin. You're going to come in here, you're going to take possession of your units, you're going to get to trading them within the community. You're going to be, bringing people in. We like to bring people in and give them an opportunity to trade with us. Let's take a look at our trade scale right here. These are our levels, which is 1 through 5. Very simple. These are our units. This is how much unit coin you will be, giving out or trading with people. This is how much Bitcoin you will be collecting for that unit that you actually put out. If you notice, it's dollar for dollar, right? We do not undercut anything. Here's dollar for dollar, right? We want to maximize our earning. This is the number of traders. You notice it says 10 traders at the top, but it says the same 10. So you're going to be working this with the same 10 people. So you want to go out and try to build you a trade team of 10 great individuals, like-minded, just like you, that understand cryptocurrency or willing to learn cryptocurrency to start earning with you. These are our trades, right? When you look at it, 100 times that 100, you see what it is. That's 1,000, 5,000, 25,000, 125,000, 625,000, guys. This is a lot of money on the table. You do not want to leave any of it here. You want to take all of this and change your family's life. These are our level upgrades. We upgrade as we go through the system to maximize our earnings. Of course, we want to maximize by upgrading to different trade platform levels. Each one of these trade platform levels is $25 to set up. That's it. So you're going to be coming in with 100 plus a $25 for that trade level that you're going on, which is always our level 1. Now, you're going to have $500 from this particular trade. You notice our trade profit shows your spillover. Let's get started and take a look at how this works. Now, level 1, you're going to come in for $100, right? 100 units is what you're going to take possession of. That's going to be 125, 25 for the platform, 100 for the trade of Bitcoin for units, right? Now, when you look at that and you have your 10 people duplicating that same efforts that you did, that means that you're going to earn $1,000 in Bitcoin. We're going to use Bitcoin as our trade right now so you guys can understand it. Also, you could trade for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Swift, whatever you want to trade for. USD is totally up to you. But with Crypto Addicts, we like to stay within the cryptocurrency space. So rarely will you ever see us trading for USD. It will always be crypto. So that's $1,000 BTC that you've made. You're going to upgrade for $500 into level 2. Very simple, guys. Nothing hard about this. That's going to be $500 you upgrade with, which is going to leave you $500 in profit. Already, guys, now, as of today, as of the making of this video, Bitcoin is like $8,000 per coin, right? So imagine you're on your way to take possession of a whole coin before it skyrockets again like it did in 2017 and hit that $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 mark. We don't know where it's going, but we see it going up rapidly every day. So that's $500 you've already made. Now, with the 500 that you reinvested to go into level 2, that means that 500 bucks is made, right? You've invested it. Your same 10 people are going to do the same thing you did by paying you at $500 each for that level. That means that's $5,000 already made, guys. You're going to split that in half. We always go half, man. That way you got money left and you have money to reinvest. Splitting that in half, $2,500 for your reinvestment, $2,500, man, spillover, man. That's amazing. For 125, look at where you're at already. Now, going into level number 3. Just like you upgraded for 2,500, your team members are duplicating your effort by upgrading to you for 2,500 each. Time the 10 people, that is $25,000 already made. When you split it in half, right? For the upgrade going into level 4, that's 12,500. That leaves you 12,500 spendable income, guys, spendable money. This is crazy. Level 4, 12,500, right? When your 10 members duplicate your efforts, upgrading into level 4, that is time the 10. That multiplication gives us $125,000 Now remember, I told you Bitcoin is only at 8,000. Now look how much Bitcoin you've accumulated. This can be done in a week, guys. If you got some serious people that's ready to get out here and slam it, this can be done in 1 week, man. This is crazy. Split it in half to go into your next upgrade. 62,500, man, going into the upgrade, leaving you 62,005. Isn't that, man, that's lovely. That's lovely, right? You're making crazy money. Let's look at the 62,005 when it is upgraded and duplicated by your 10 members. That is 6,200 or $625,000, guys. This money is crazy. I'd be stuttering. $625,000, right? What are you going to do after you make that 625? You're going to take your same 10 members, guys, and just start all over again. Bam. That leave you 624,900, man. What could you do with 624,900? Man, we're creating wealth with this thing. This is simply amazing. Now, what UUnit is doing right now, they're giving away, like, as of this video today, they're giving away over 7,000 free coins. Now, when I told you that we match it dollar for dollar, that means that we're looking at $7,000 in coin being given to you just for coming in for 125, taking possession of our great platform. Man, this thing is amazing. All you're going to do is come down here. You're going to send your $100 to your sponsor. You're going to put in your information, which shows that you did send the $100. Then after you do that, he's going to send you the link to get your UUnit coins. After that, come back over here. You're going to take possession of your platform. We're going to build this platform for you. We're going to install your Bitcoin wallet address right here, right? Bam, we're set. We're done. Man, you're off and running, man. So imagine. Look at these numbers again, guys. I really want you to look at these numbers. This is just 5 levels, just a little work. You're well over $500,000, guys, from a $125 investment. Wow. So if you're ready to get started flipping these units, man, if you're ready to join Team UUnit and start flipping those units into spendable money that you could change your life as well as your family's life with, please scroll down on this particular page, right? Click the link, start getting set up, right? If this someone sent you here, you definitely want to go back down here and send them their money. Copy that wallet address down there, send them the 100, come back over here, click and get your platform and get to moving. Remember, just 10 people. How many people do you know that would love to take possession of some coin that they could trade within a community, man, and start making money today? So right now, this your man Kaschmiere, Rich from the Crypto-Addicts. We're killing it over here, guys. I want to welcome you in advance to UUnit.io, guys. You have a great day. Let's get started making money. Take care.